Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. These are very conversational, organic videos that we do here. So make sure you check the comment section because data points always change for these topics at hand. And I would love to hear your feedback of what you think about it, what your experience has been about it, or just a random question, concern, or anything you want to say in the comment section. So welcome aboard. And all of my radical marketers, thank you so much for blowing up this YouTube channel. We're becoming one of the fastest channels on YouTube to grow in the finance space, and it's all because of you. So keep liking and commenting on every video and sharing it with your friends and family. Also, we have a private Facebook group and I have an Instagram. Both links are in the description below. Go ahead and join both of those. It'd be a great way for us all to stay together. And the private Facebook group, we're always dropping gems and hacks in the group, so you definitely want to be a part of that. Guys, I'm excited to talk about the American Express personal loans. I'm going to go over some data points that I know about it, things that you need to know about this loan, because there's not a lot of data points online for it, but I have some gathered and I'm going to go through it with you. Basically, American Express, as you guys know, once you're in the ecosystem, you're in the ecosystem. What do I mean by that? Well, you have to have a credit card to apply for this. Okay, so you have to already be a card member of American Express. Why is that? Just the rules. But when you are with American Express, they pull from Experian, but once you're in the door, you're in the door, and they don't ever hard pull you for credit limit increases, and they don't ever hard pull you for new cards. And this loan is a soft pull as well. So if you qualify for it, you'll be able to get this without a hard pull on your credit. And it will be an installment loan reporting on your credit. And it's going to be a very, very instantaneous type of loan to get if you are approved for it. Now let's go over the details of it. From basically, you can use this personal loan for whatever you want, whether it's debt consolidation to home improvement or funds for a wedding, whatever the case is. But they go from $3,500 to $40,000, and they're eligible for card members. Okay. Now, there's no origination fee and there's no prepayment penalty fee. A lot of personal loans are going to have origination fees, and it's usually a percentage of the actual loan amount that you're borrowing. And some actually slide in prepayment penalty fees. So if you pay it off early, you get charged more for it. So it's pretty crazy, the fees that you'll find in personal loans. And unfortunately, there's a lot of subprime lenders that really benefit off of people that are not making a lot of money or in need of the funds. And I hate that, but that's just the way it is. There's a fixed interest rate on the loan. There's no credit score impact to apply. It's a soft pull, quick application and decision in seconds. Now, what's going to be the APR is going to be depending on your credit score and your relationship with American Express. But you can check the offer. Some of you guys may already have these pre-qualified offers in your portal, so you can go ahead and check the offer, but you got to make sure you're signed in. Now, another thing that how can you improve your odds of getting this personal loan? That's the question, right? Well, number one, you got to be using American Express. If you're not using American Express or using your credit card with American Express, you're probably not going to be pre-qualified already for this loan. Now, you may be able to get it, but you may not have a pre-qualified offer for this loan, because they're going to really go at people that they know there's something called the ability to repay. And they have so much banking data on you at American Express. Their algorithms are crazy good. They are on top of what they do. So they have an idea of, are you going to be able to pay this loan back or not? And if so, how soon could you pay it back? And they look at everything that you ever spend on your credit card. So they have a lot of information. And besides the personal loan, if you have a savings account with them, they're getting into the banking world now. They're into the business products. So the more that you can build a relationship with American Express, the more it's going to help you, because they're never going to do a hard pull on you. And they're pretty generous with their limits. In this situation, they actually have, you can go to questions and then you can actually go through some of these things. Now, how will you get the funds deposited? They can send you a check, or you can verify a bank account, and then they'll deposit the funds via direct deposit for you. You can have the loan pay off your American Express cards if you want. But you guys can go through this. I will put the link in the description. One thing I wanted to make sure that you guys know about American Express is you are going to want to make sure that you never lie on your applications with American Express. American Express is known for blacklisting people and banning people left and right. So if you abuse the credit cards and you manufacture spend with them and they catch you, you're going to get shut down. You're going to get blacklisted. If you put that you make $200,000 and you're making $30,000 and you trigger a manual review and it comes back that you were lying to them, you're going to be blacklisted. It's not worth it, people. It's better to put the actual income that you make, get a low limit on a card, and then every 6 months you can apply for a credit limit increase, and they'll actually give you 3 times your credit limit on that card without it being a hard pull. And as you're using your credit cards, things like these personal loans will open up. But I wanted to make you guys all aware of this personal loan, because $40K on a soft pull $40,000 loan could help a lot of you guys out in this holiday season, or starting a business, or paying off credit cards, those 0% cards that are ending. So I wanted to make you guys all aware of it. But they're going to be one of the better personal loans to get. Their interest rates are going to be lower. JD Power and Associates recommends them a lot. They do American Express really takes care of the American Express family. That's what I really love about American Express, is once you're in, you're in, but once you're out, you're out. So don't ever be on that chopping block to be out. Well, guys, what do you guys think about American Express? I would love to hear it in your comment section below. Have any of you guys ever had this American Express personal loan? What was your data points? How much did you get approved for? What was your credit score at the time? How many cards did you have with American Express? Is there any advice you give for people that are trying to get American Express? I'd love to have that in the comment section, because I know somebody's watching this video right now saying, man, I'm just trying to get a credit card with American Express, let alone a loan. But once you're in the door and you start having the personal credit card, you start getting these personal loans sent to you. And if you open up a bank account with them, and a savings account, and a retirement account, and all types of stuff, you're going to get a lot of these pre-qualified offers. The more you engulf yourself in American Express, the more they're going to want to do a relationship with you. And on top of that, a shameless plug, if you have the business credit cards, then you can start looking at the working capital loans and all of that without a credit check either. American Express is going to be a lot like a credit union in the sense of they are very much relationship banking focused. So you want to focus on your relationship with American Express. And another side note and a tip, because you know how I drop these gems all over the video, is American Express, when you're applying for credit, once you're in the door, you're in the door, but they can be one of the last applications that you apply to, because they're more concerned about what's your credit score and do you have any negatives on your credit report. If you have any negatives, you're not going to get in. But they're not really new account sensitive or inquiry sensitive, just so you guys know that. Anyways, I've gone long enough on this video. Go ahead and apply for the loan if you can. You're going to get an instant decision, get funded the next day or the same day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook, and also add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer with a K. I'll catch you guys on another video. Remember, watch all the videos that I already released today. Check out the playlist and check out yesterday. Take care. Salute. Peace.